Okay, guys, shall we continue? Everyone, please confirm. Just type in chat box yes or no. Shall we continue? Right. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's continue. Now we are going to discuss find commands. Okay, find. The actual purpose of find is to get the address of particular file or folder. Get the address. Where is it? For example, if I give any file name, os-release is os-release. I know that this file is there in my machine, but I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. With the help of find command will tell you that, hey, Sai, this is under etc directory. It will tell you that this is under etc, that's under top level root directory. It gives the address of that particular file or folder. Okay, any file. Not only that, it has many other purposes. Let me explain those things. First of all, find -type f. Find -type. Type means what? File type. F means file. Now, what this command does, in your current directory towards forward side, in your current directory towards forward side, it will give only file names. Whatever files are there, it will show all those files, including hidden files, including. Enter. In your current directory towards forward side. See, dot represents your current directory. What is your current directory? That's what, /root. Inside that folder, whatever files are there, it is showing all those. If they are in some folder, see, this is the file, this is in folders. Okay, even though it will show those files. That means only these final things, whatever you are seeing, you can see. At the end, what you are seeing, these are files. Okay, it will show all files. Suppose if you want to see all directories, then D. It shows all directories. From your current directory towards forward side, it shows all. In fact, all of them are directories only. All of them. Okay. Suppose if you give path, like, see here. If I give / here, /, then what is the meaning? That means, hey, show me all files which are there where? Under top level root directory. That means under top level root directory, whatever files are there, show me all those files. Show me all those files. So literally, it is going to give the list of each and every file in your entire operating system. Entire operating system. Enter. Obviously, you get big list of files. So many. Now here, all these at the end, see, these are files. At the end, what you are seeing. These are files. They are in these directories. At the end, what you are seeing, these are files. Suppose if you want to see all directories, then here you mention D. It shows all directories in your entire operating system. Literally, all of them are directories only. Okay, fine. Now coming to the main purpose of find command. Main purpose. Let's say there is a file called myfile3. myfile3. Okay, remember, myfile3 is there, but I don't know where is that file. I don't know where is that file. Then how to verify? See here, command structure is find -f. Okay, -f here, -name, and give the file name, myfile3. Okay, so observe carefully. I want to find the address of this file. The name of the file is this one. That too, what is this? The type is file. I want to find the address of the file type. Name of the file is my file. Where you want to search? In my entire operating system. Okay. Now it will give you that, hey, Sai, that file is in this location. You can see it is giving the entire address. These address of that file. Understanding, right? For example, you pick any one. Directory D is it. I don't know. Okay, directory 4. I don't know where is directory 4. I don't know where is directory 4. Then what you do here, directory 4, but it's a directory type, right? Type D. It is showing that, hey, Sai, there is a directory 4 in this location. Okay. Same. Here, temp file, tmpfile. Okay. Under temp, we have created one file, right? Temp. No, I mean, it is not showing means what? That file is not there. Simple. What file we have created under temp? Which maybe we might have deleted. That's why it is not showing. Right? Anyways, that's okay. So I hope you understood. Okay, that is how we can verify the file or directory address. Okay, it will give the address where it is. Understood? That's the purpose of find commands. Then user. As I told you, that user administration we are going to discuss as a stages. Okay, total 3 stages. We are going to discuss in 3 parts. First part today. Second part tomorrow. Third part before Ansible. In DevOps, we are going to discuss one tool called Ansible. Before that, we are going to, because then only you'll understand that tool. Okay, so let's see today basics. What is that user? First of all, why we need to create a user? What's the need of user and why we need to create a user? See, this is my laptop. My friend is requesting for my laptop. My friend, best friend. See, he is my best friend. I can't deny. At the same time, I have my personal data. I have my personal data in my laptop that I don't want to disclose to others. I don't want to disclose to others. No one should access my data. It's completely my personal data. But my best friend is asking, best friend, I can't deny. Then how to resolve this issue? I can't give my laptop because I have personal data. I can deny also because he's my best friend. How can I deny? Right? So there comes what we do. We create one user account. Let's say his name is Raj. I create one user account. So when you create user account means what? He will get username and password. When you create user account means what? These two will get generated, username, password. That means he can log in. He can log in. Then what I do, I give only limited permissions to give to him. I'll give limited access permissions. So he can log in, but he will be inside this area only. He cannot go out of this area. That means I'm giving my laptop and also I'm protecting my data from him. Correct or not? So that is what user. That is the reason we create user account. Okay. So that we can restrict him to particular area. Right? That is what user. Let's say group of friends are there. Not one friend. I have 10 friends are there. But every friend, what I do, I create user account. But individually giving permission is a bit difficult individually. Then what I do, I create one group. I'll give a name called friends. To that friends, I'll give this permission, what they can access to that group. Then I will add all my friends to this group. The moment you add that user in the group, he will get this permission. When you remove that user, he will not have this permission. Okay, simple WhatsApp. If you want to send direct message, you send directly. If you want to send group message, instead of sending directly, what do? You create a group. You add all your friends in that group. You send message in the group. Everyone will receive. Same thing. Instead of giving permission directly to the user, permission means you're accessing permission, accessing what he can access. Instead of that giving directly, what we do, we create a group. We give that permission to the group. Then we add all users in the group. So as long as he is part of that group, he will access this one. If we remove that user from the group, then he will not have any access. Understanding, right? So that is the reason why we create a user and groups. I hope today at least you understood why we need users and groups. Clear? Tomorrow, after getting job, what do you do? What happens here? What happens? You will be given login access to your account. But after login, can you able to see each and everything? Can you access everything? No way. You'll get only limited access. You may be able to see only EC2 only. You will not get a permission to touch any other service. You will get login access. But after login, what you can access, what you cannot access, that administrators will decide. Okay? Same thing. That also I'll explain anyways. Okay, so for that, first let's create a user. So who is creating user now? Root user is creating a user. How to create? User add. User add, user name. Okay, let's say I'm giving name called Raj. That's it. User add, user name. That's it. Okay, how to set password? That's what tomorrow. Okay, remember that. How to set password? How user will log into my machine? That is what tomorrow. Remember that. Okay, so this is how we can create a user add. Now, how to verify whether you have created user or not? All user information will be stored in one file called password. Already you know this file, password. Okay, whenever you create any user, that user information will be stored in this file. Oh, then I need to open that file. How to open? You know, cat etc password. Already we used this file earlier, correct or not? So cat etc password. Now you can see at the end, user got added, Raj. Don't worry, this I will explain going forward, this entire portion. At least you'll understand one thing here. Whenever we create any user, under home directory, for him, one house will be constructed with his name. That is what Raj. You can see. Under home directory, one house got constructed to him. That is Raj. So by default, Raj user will be inside Raj directory, which is under home directory. Now I hope you can able to correlate what already we discussed. Similar to that guy, there is one user called east-user. He is a default user given by AWS. So he will, that's what you can say, default user. Where he is right now, under home directory, he is in his house. Related to that, when we install some packages, related users will be created. We have installed HTTPD. When you install HTTPD, one Apache user will get created, Apache user. Okay. In the same way, see, this is root user. Where is he? He is under root directory. And these are system users. Those will get created automatically. Got it? Fine. Now, how to create a group? How to create a group? Simple. Group add. That's it. Sorry. Group add. Group name also we have to give, right? Correct or not? Okay, I'm giving DevOps. Group add DevOps. So groups information will be stored in one file called group. Where is that one? Under etc only. Okay. Cat etc group. Cat etc group. You can see at the end DevOps group. Just now we have created a group called DevOps, right? You must be thinking, Sai, why it is showing Raj here? We did not create any group called Raj. Why it is still showing Raj? First of all, this particular file shows only groups. Only groups. Okay. Raj user means there must be a Raj group. Yes. Yes, it is. See here. Whenever you create any user, one group will get created with his name. One group. And he will be part of that group. That's a default behavior. When you create any user, with his name, one group will get created. He'll be part of that group. That's a default behavior. But not vice versa. Don't think that if I create any group, user will get created. No. Okay. So that's why we created Raj user. That's why Raj group got created. And obviously, DevOps group just now we have created. Right? Okay. You can keep one user in any number of groups. Suppose I want to add this Raj user to DevOps group. How to add? Simple. G password. There are two to three commands are there. If you remember one command, that is enough. Okay. So G password. -A. A means add. What is the username? Raj. What is the group name? DevOps. G password -A means adding this user into this particular group. You can see adding user Raj to DevOps group. Okay. Suppose I have so many users. Let's say I have Sai, I have Arun, I have Akash. Let's say so many users are there. How to add these many users? If you want to add multiple users at a time, so -m, multiple users. Then here you can give Sai, comma, Arun, comma, Akash. So all users name you have to give with just comma separated, only comma. And space, you finally give the group name. You finally give the group name. Okay, space you give only when you mention group name, that's it. But obviously now this is the actual command, but it will throw an error. Why it is throwing an error? Because we don't have these users, right, as of now. We did not create these users, right? That's why it is showing that a user does not exist. What you do, you create a user add Sai, user add Arun, user add Akash. Then you can able to add them in the group. That is how we can do that. How to remove a user? How to remove? See, to remove user, G password. Okay, how to verify user got added to that group or not? How to verify? You can open group file name. You can see cat etc group. If you open group file, then there actually this file shows all groups. Correct? In that only you'll understand whether particular user is in that group or not. Now verify. See, Raj user is in which group? DevOps group. Is in DevOps group. That is how we can verify. Now, how to delete a user from the group? G password -d -d Raj. From which group? DevOps. So I'm removing this user from this group. Now enter. You can see removing user Raj from group DevOps. That's it. We have removed. Understood? That is how we can do that. Now, how to delete a user? User del. User del username. But when you do like this, what actually happens? When you do like this, we have home directory. Under we have ec2-user directory. Inside east-user, this user is there. We have Raj directory. Inside Raj directory, Raj user is there. So when you run this command, only this user will get deleted. But his house will be there only, here itself. If you want to delete the user along with his house, you want to demolish his house also, you want to delete that user and destruct his house, demolish his house, then we have to give -r. Then we are deleting the user and also we are removing his house as well. Okay, always have a habit of mentioning R as well. Okay, now if you do ls/home, means what I'm doing? I'm running ls under home directory, which is under top level root directory. I told you at the end you give /r not, doesn't matter. Then it shows all houses, users' houses. We have only one house, that is east user house. Okay, correct or not? This house already we have demolished. Understood? So these are just basics of users. User group, just basic small introduction part. How to create a password, how user can log into our machine, right? That you'll understand in tomorrow's class. But because tomorrow actually it makes sense. When I talk about file folder permission, that time I need to show you what he can access, what he cannot access. There only you'll understand the things. Okay? Fine. Coming to next topic. Next topic. That is soft link and hard link. Soft link and hard link. Okay. See, in Windows, we call shortcut. Correct? In Windows, we call shortcuts. What you are seeing on the screen. See, generally, I don't have a habit of keeping them on my desktop. I always keep my desktop clean. I don't even keep other folders also. I generally delete once I finish my work. These are the shortcuts. Many people, they keep on desktop here, left side or right side. but I keep those here in taskbar. So all these are shortcuts, correct? You can see WhatsApp, uh, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. You can see mobile extreme. These we call shortcuts in Windows. The same thing in Linux we call soft link. Same thing in Linux we call soft link. Also, you can call symbolic link. Soft link or symbolic link. Okay. Why do we need this soft link? First of all, the shortcut also. See, I have installed Google Chrome. In my laptop, I have installed Google Chrome. But when I installed, where this one got installed? In C drive, program files, Google, Chrome, application, inside the browser. This is my actual browser. If I want to use Google Chrome, I need to use this browser. But every time going inside C drive, program files, Google, Chrome, application, then opening this browser, it's difficult for me. Correct or not? It's a difficult. That's why what I do, I create one shortcut to this one. I keep that shortcut on my task manager here or desktop. So that when I'm using this one means indirectly I'm using this one only. I'm using this one means what? Indirectly I'm opening this one only. Correct or not? But since I can't go in this location, that's why I create one shortcut I kept here. Right? Okay. So that means here something like this. C drive, program, files, Google, Chrome, inside application, inside Google Chrome is there. Now, since I can't go inside all these directories every time, that's why I created one shortcut. This shortcut I kept in my desktop. This is what we call shortcut. Okay. Shortcut. This is a main file. Correct or not? Main file. It is exactly like this, guys. This is my laptop. When I attach any pen drive, let's say if I give name A, where is my actual data? That is in A. But when you attach pen drive, one window kind of thing will be created. That is B. One window kind of thing immediately. Folder kind of thing. This pen drive data you can able to see from here. Correct or not? Now, what is the main component here? Where actual my data is, whether A or B, in A. But that data you can manage from B. Correct? Manage from B. If I add anything here, indirectly I'm adding here. If I remove something from here, indirectly I'm removing from here. So what is B here? B is a window through which you are managing data which is in here. I'm repeating. B is a window through which we are managing data which is in here. Correct? B is just a window. Through that, I'm working on A. Correct? Same like shortcut. It's a window through which we are actually accessing main application. Main application. Understanding, right? Okay. So we are opening means indirectly we are opening this one only. That is what happened. This is what shortcut. This is what shortcut. Now, if you delete shortcut, no problem. You can create one more shortcut. But if you delete main file, you can't open shortcut. You cannot open. Correct or not? Already you know. You try to delete main file, you try to open shortcut, it throws an error that, hey, main file is missing. Right? I don't know how many of you tried. If not, try once. Okay. Here also in Linux, same thing. In Linux, the same thing. Here we call it as a soft link. Soft link. Okay. We call it as a soft link. Let me explain. See here, let's say this is my index file. Index file. HTML folder, www, var, top level root directory. Now, this is, whatever content you keep, inside that content you can see in a browser. inside that content you can see in browser. But every time in order to edit the content, do I need to go inside these directories? No, that's a big headache. That's why what I do, I create one soft link. I create one soft link. Then what I do to that, I'll give any name. Any name. Let's say I'll give a name called soft index. Any name, that's your wish. This is a main file, index.html. This is a main file. Okay. To that, I'll create one soft link. Okay. Where I keep it in my current directory. That's what? From where I can access easily. Current directory. Okay. Then what I do? Whatever I do, indirectly where I'm doing here. Correct or not? So do I need to go inside in these locations? No need. That is where we use soft link. Let me show you. That means, see, if I'm modifying here, indirectly I'm modifying here. Right? Let me show you. How to get soft link? ln. ln means link. Hyphen s. S means what kind of link? Soft link. Soft link. What is the main file? Inside where www html index. This is a main file. To that, what is a link file you want to create? What name you want to give? Any name. Soft index. That's your wish. Soft index. Where you are creating, since I'm not giving any path, this will be created in my current directory. See, I'm creating link file, that to soft link to this main file, which is in this location. To that, I'm creating soft link. That name I'm giving soft index. That I'm creating in my current directory. Enter. If you do ls, you can see soft index. But color it is showing even though it is blue. But what is this? This is a file, guys. That's why initially I said, don't go with the color. Okay. Now, if you ask me, Sai, how do we know this is the soft link for this file only? How do we come to know? Since I have created, that's I know. How do you know? If you do ls-l long list, then here it shows clearly that, see, this is a file, is a link file to this main file. And that too, you can see here L. L means what? Link file, soft link. L means here. Okay, that is how we can identify. Okay. Now, if you open cat soft index, already it is showing hello dear DevOps students. Why it is showing? Initially we kept that content over here, right? Here, that content it is showing. That is what you are seeing in browser. So just to give index file as of now. You can say hello dear DevOps students. Now, if I want to modify this content, do I need to modify main file? No need. You just modify this file. Indirectly, you are modifying main file only. Verify. vi soft index. Here, hello dear. Instead of DevOps, I'm giving Linux. Hello dear Linux students. I have modified. Done. Go and verify. What is this? Linux students. That means that modification replicated where? In a main file. Main file. If you want, you can verify by using cat. Cat, where www html index file. What is that? See, modification happened in main file. That is how it works. You don't have to work on main file now onwards. You can simply work on this file. Got it? That is so. Easily you can able to access. Purpose is quick access, easy access. That is the purpose of soft link. If you delete soft link, you can create one more soft link, no problem at all. But if you delete main file, you can't access soft link file. Okay, let's try to delete main file. rm-rf where www html index file. You know, right? This command deletes main file. Deleted. But can you open soft link? You can see color got changed again. Now, can you open? See, cat soft index. It is showing there is no such file. Only that entry is there, footprint entry is there, but there is no actual file. Got it? So you can remove it. Understood? Like this. That means here, if you delete soft link, you can get one more soft link. No problem at all. If you delete main file, you can't able to use soft link file. Because ultimately, see, whatever data you keep here, indirectly you are keeping here, indirectly. Indirectly, you are keeping in main file only. Remember that. Okay. So always the size of the file will be 1 KB or 2 KB only, always, no matter how much content you keep, because indirectly you are keeping here. Same thing happens with the shortcuts in Windows, right? If you delete main file, you can't open this file. It shows that hey, sorry, main file is missing. It shows in that. Clear? So in Windows we call shortcut. In Linux we call soft link or symbolic link. Then what is hard link? There is one more link called hard link. Guys, hard link is a complete backup copy. Backup. Okay. Let's say I'm creating one link called hard link. Hard link. You can give any name. Let's say hard index. Any name, your wish. Hard index. Then what actually happens here? This is new file altogether. This is one file. This is another file. Completely different file. Now what actually happens? Whatever data you keep, right, that will be physically copied here. Whatever data you keep, that will be copied here. Means the data is present in both here and here, both locations. Hard link is a backup copy, complete backup copy. Whatever data you keep, that will be replicated, will be copied here. In soft link, data will be present only here, but not here. But in hard link, data will be present both here and here in both locations. When you do any modifications in one place, that modification will be replicated in other location as well. Now, if you delete hard link, main file is safe, no problem. If you delete main file, hard link also is safe. So one file will not affect other file. Okay. Let me show you. Let's create that file again. vi var www html. So I'm creating the index.html. Okay. Here I'm keeping some content. Hello, dear students. Okay. I kept some content. Now for this, I would like to create hard link. How to do that? ln. That's it. ln means link file. By default, link is hard link only. By default, link is hard link. ln. What is the main file? This is a main file. What is the hard link you want to give? In what name you want to give? I would like to give hard index. Hard index. That's it. Hard index. That means I am creating link file. By default, the link is hard link only. To this file, which is in this location. The hard link name I'm giving hard index, which I'm creating in current directory. Okay. Now press enter. So if you do ls, there is no color change. It's a normal file. It's normal file because it's a completely backup file. It's a new file altogether. But yes, you can see the content. You can see hard index. Okay. Same. You do any modifications here, that will be physically replicated here. Replicated. Okay. That means if this file size is, let's say, 100 MB, these files are also 100 MB only. Always the size remains same. Equal to the data present inside the files. Now, yes, let's do some modification. vi hard index. Here, hello, dear students. Let's say I'm giving hello, dear AWS students. AWS students. I just modified the hard index. That modification you can able to see in main file. Where www html index. You can see. Correct? Hit refresh. That is how things work. Again, here, if you delete main file, so if you delete any one file, it will not affect other files. No problem at all. Okay, let's delete main file here also. Main file. rm-rf. See, I'm deleting main file. But still, your hard index is fine. And open it. Yes, working fine. Correct? Because it is a new file. It's a file altogether, fresh file. Understood? See, soft link is a shortcut. Hard link is a complete backup. Okay, soft link is a shortcut, hard link is a backup. Got it? Now you must be thinking, sorry, why to take backup like this? Why can't you copy this file? You copy and you keep one copy here. But if I copy paste, if I put some data, that will not get copied here after copying the file. Okay, but if you create hard link like this, now whatever data you keep injecting here, that will get copied here automatically. See, there's a file A. If I want backup, I can take copy. That's what B. But later on, once I put data, will that be copied here automatically? No. Every time I need to copy the data manually, but that's a big headache. Instead of that, we can use hard link. You create one hard link. So whatever data you keep, that will be copied here. Whatever you keep, that will be copied. Right? Okay. So in that, even if you lose one file, other file is safe. If you lose this one, other file is safe. Got it? Fine. That is what hard link. So simple. Soft link is a shortcut. Hard link is a backup. That's it. If you remember these two, game is over. How to create and all, just, if you revise my video, then you can able to do it. Understood? Fine. I guess enough for today. I guess. Or you want more? You want more? Or okay. Okay. Fine. Enough. Right? Yeah. Mm. Yeah, fine, guys. No issue. Yeah, that's it from my side for today. Those who don't have any doubts, you can leave the session. Once again, let me turn on my video. No, light is there. Okay. Yeah. Now, those who don't have any doubts, you can leave the session. Who have doubts, please stay back. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. 1 second. Let me share the history. Yesterday we have discussed till here, right? We'll discuss top command. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. Don't think that you keep postponing this one. When the right time comes, then only I can discuss, right? So don't worry, all these things will be covered. Okay. Just go along with me. Go with the flow. That's it. Everything will be covered at the right time. Yeah. Click on hand raise symbol. Those who have doubts. Those who don't have any doubts, you can leave the session. Comment your chart questions. You will get tomorrow. I'll answer. Okay. Today I got some questions. Tomorrow those will get answered. Okay. Yes. Nagarjuna, go ahead. Nagarjuna. You there, Nagarjuna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Any doubts?
No. That is already cleared.
Clear?
Just for that easy to when you are creating that easy to user privileges, then that time we'll get under root also. That question I asked, that is already covered. That
covered? Fine. Great.
Yep.
Thank you. Next, Kumar Datta.
Yes, I have a question regarding the package manager. So the RPM that we used to have for Linux to install the packages, I think that RPM could not resolve the dependency required for a particular package installation where yum does the same dependency resolution. So
Okay, whatever thing is that, I mean, that's okay. We need not to go that level. That's an old one. Earlier we used to use earlier in old
Yeah, yeah.
operating system, but
So
nowadays we
my doubt is that if we are installing any package of any package through yum, and it's along with the package, it's also installing the dependencies, and then
correct.
we are removing the package. Okay, what will happen the dependency? Like if the
Those also
dependency,
will get removed.
okay, if the
Whatever you get, those will
uh,
get removed once you remove.
okay, so
Okay.
if the dependency is I mean common for, let's say, two or more packages, so what will happen to the rest of the package, what is already installed, if it is getting
Those, no, see, whatever you get with the package,
hmm.
those will be removed. Simple. Okay. If you are installing any package, you will get required dependencies with that package again. Once you remove, those will get removed. Clear. Okay.
But there are common dependencies for multiple
Even
packages.
might be, but still you will get once you install the package. Got it?
Okay.
Right? No. Then Vishwa. Vishwa. Uh, See, Mayuri, that's not possible. I'll tell you why.
Sorry.
See, guys, one second, Vishwa. Please understand. You, many of you must be thinking that's why our class timings are at 9:30. Why are you starting a bit late? Okay. Why are you starting at 9:40? Why? Because see, when you go to any movie theater, exactly if they start, sometimes it might happen that you might reach a bit late. Always remember, beginning of the movie is very, very important. If you don't attend the beginning, if you don't understand beginning, if you miss, you will not understand at least half of the movie. That actually, that is what I feel. If I don't go to movie theater in time, if I go late, I will not watch that movie. I'll come back. Better I'll go next time. Because if you miss the initial part, then you won't understand at least half of the movie. Here, that is the reason I start 10 minutes late, so that even if at all any link issues, any network issues and all, even when you face, I face, make sure that we will get it right. Everyone will be ready to attend the class so that no one will miss the class. That is the reason. That's why I give that buffer time so that everyone will be ready to listen my class. Okay, if I start exactly at 9:30, I know many of you will miss first to 5 to 10 minutes for sure. And you will, again, that time will be taken extra for me to clarify your doubts. That's the reason. Please understand. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Next. Go ahead. Vishwa, right? Yes.
Yes, I.
Go ahead.
Sorry, my question is about inode. When we create any file, then it also generate one inode. So, what is the purpose
We
and
will
why?
discuss. Inode number value we call, but you don't need that one. That level as of now, you don't need. Anyways, okay, we'll discuss going forward. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And Shamshed, I'm sorry.
Hi Sai, I just wanted to know, like in Windows, whenever we require any software, so we are just downloading from the web or uh, you- in installer we are getting from the USB and somewhere.
Correct.
So in Linux, everything in available in package.
I did not get your question.
Hmm.
Can you repeat that question?
Actually, just in Windows,
Hmm.
whenever we require any software,
Hmm.
so we are downloading from the external web or USB or
Correct.
right now.
In
In Linux,
Linux,
everything
how to download, how to do that, right?
how to download, how to install any
That
new package.
that's what tomorrow. Okay. How
Acha.
today we have seen only how to install existing packages. Tomorrow
Okay,
we are going to see how to download the packages which are not even there in my machine. Got it?
got it. And the second question, Sai, ki that hard link and soft link, that folder name which you have given. So that name is always the same, or some if anyone can change the name, so how we can
Any
identify?
you can give whatever name that you want.
Hmm.
Soft link always you can identify. Hard link you can't identify. That's why generally we give similar names. Index.html. I'm giving hard index. Index name matching, right? We are creating my own file, right? My own backup file. So we give similar names. I'm creating, if I can understand, that is fine. But that's why we give that common names with similar names. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank you. Then Gautam.
Yeah, hi Sai. Is there any limit on number of users or group we can create?
No. In Linux, there is no limit. That is what we call multi-user, right? Multi-user, multi-access, right? There's no
Okay.
limit. Okay. Tomorrow you'll understand how a normal user can log into our machine. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow. Sambit.
Hi Sai, my question is when we listing out tree command and we use grep, it should fetch only the exact pattern, but there were 3 columns.
Exactly. Doesn't matter. Whatever content is there in that entire content, wherever that word is there, you will get that entire line. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Ultimately, for grep is what? That is the entire content. From that content, wherever that word is there, it will get that word. Okay? Yeah. Next, Santosh Kumar.
Yeah, hi, Sai. My question is regarding the links. So now we have created the soft link and the hard link, which creates a new file or the shortcut. So the data that we update in this new created files will update automatically to the original
Main
file.
file, correct.
So what if we do some data updation in the original file? Will it also update in the new file?
Yes. Here also it happens.
It is vice versa, right?
Yes. Vice versa. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next, Shubham Verma.
Hello, sir. So
Yes, go ahead.
the index file which we are using, this is case sensitive, but in real world, when the link we are opening, that is in case insensitive. So how we can achieve that, sir?
That time we write programming in such a way that let them use any uppercase, lowercase. That's what you will understand in shell scripting in Python. Okay. That time there we write scripting where we are going to write in such a way that even let them give either uppercase, lowercase, it should take that one, something like that.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. What is the difference between service and system CTL? Like, what are the drawbacks which will cover in system CTL?
No drawbacks. Just they have upgraded. They have modified that command. That's it. Little bit. Sometimes websites and all they keep modifying, right? To give new look, new appearance and all. Otherwise you feel bored when we use the same thing. Correct or not? That's what you see in each and every app, every application. They keep modifying it to make it more attractive appearance wise and all. Okay, they back in programming wise, they might have added some new features that we don't know. But ultimately, how it used to work, the same way it is working. Okay.
And one more thing, sir. If I need to see the packages which I have installed only, there is a tab called @system @Linux. I need to see only the @Linux web packages only. Can we do that, sir?
Same, we can use grep command.
No.
Mlist installed. Mlist installed. Pipe grep. You mentioned that system that it shows only those lines.
Okay, if no, that will we can segregate with the help of web packages name from that, sir. I think, or
with the grep, can we do it or not? Tell me.
Yes, we can.
That's fine then. Maybe there may be multiple ways, but even one way is also fine. Grep, we can do that easily.
And one more thing, sir. If I need to find a file, I don't know. I have mentioned that file in uppercase or lowercase. So how I can find that with the find command, or any other command if we can use. I don't know. I have started with uppercase or with lowercase.
I guess there might be a flag. One second, let me verify. One second. I'll let you know. I'll verify today. I'll let you. I don't remember that flag. You just need to add one flag. Okay. Someone is saying I. Is it I, Prashant? Okay. I'll verify and get back to you. Okay. I is ignore. Yeah, correct. Case sensitive ignore. Hyphen I, yes, we use hyphen I. Means what? Ignore. Ignore means what? Ignoring case sensitive. Okay, just we need. I mean, say thing is that please understand one thing. If you understand the main command, if in that, if you get any small doubts also with simple Google search, you can able to get that commands. Suppose simply you got this doubt that okay, I want to ignore case sensitive. Just even if you search in Google or ChatGPT, they will mention that this one. Since already you know the purpose of the command and how to use, you'll understand. Okay, these are only flag that we need to add. Yes, as someone said, I Arun saying is I. Yeah, we can use I to ignore. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
And one more thing, I see one more thing. When you get these small doubts and all, what you do, you can ask me, no problem. Even if I don't know, I also search and I'll get back to you. But you also can get these things simply. When you get any doubt, you simply open Google or ChatGPT. Nowadays, everyone is using ChatGPT. I know, 200% sure. Just verify. Okay, you mention your requirement. Anyways, we'll discuss ChatGPT also going forward. You mention a requirement that hey, this is what I want. What is a Linux command? Since you know the main command, then when they give any flags and all, you can able to use them easily, quickly. You don't have to wait for my reply. Understanding, right? Easily we can do it. Because we use so many commands, right? Sometimes, many times we forget those flags and all. That time, what we do in companies also, we do the same thing. Okay, but we don't ask others, in colleagues and all, no need. Because already we get help, right? That way we can use that. Like that also we can do. Okay. Next, Sumalata. Sumalata.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, this is Venu actually.
Okay. Go ahead.
Actually, we have created two, right? That soft link and hard link. In that, if you want those hard link, hard index and soft index, how can we identify that whether it is a soft link or hard link?
When you
We are
see with the
red.
blue color, that I mean, color is fine.
LS-L, it gives the L, right? The
L.
starting in the
L
hyphen.
means soft link, correct.
Permission. So L both will give, right?
No, hard link will not give. If you do ls-l, for hard link, it will not show anything. It will show as a normal file only. Hyphen you will see.
Hyphen. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Means that soft link means if we deleted the whatever the source file, right? That we deleted means entire that soft link file also deleted, right?
I mean, you can't open that soft link file because main content got deleted, right?
Yeah. Source file, that is
correct.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Fine. Next, Prashant.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
My doubt also related to this download packages and installed packages, because I'm thinking like what and all installed and what and all downloaded. Because
that's what we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow only I'm going to explain how to download.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
yeah, go ahead. You can unmute and you can ask. Prashant, yeah, go ahead.
yeah, audible?
Yes, you are audible.
I'm saying thanks for the clarification on soft link and hard link. Now I got a clear idea.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Saba, Mohammed Saba.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I am confused about pipe concepts that we discussed earlier, sir. I didn't get it, sir. Can you please explain it?
Do one thing. Again, that's a big topic, right? You watch this video today.
Okay.
Watch multiple times. Still, after watching also, if you get any doubt, remind me. Tomorrow I'll explain 1 second. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, Vibor.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Today I have tried like the touch command. Under like the example, I want to create multiple file in a directory. So I have typed touch and then dir1, dir2, and dir3. Then I have give the multiple file name like file1, file2, file3. But it's creating under the root directory. So
can you share the screenshot? Then only I can explain. I mean, what names you mentioned? How did you give? Just share the screenshot and share the screenshot and type your question. I'll get back to you in WhatsApp. Okay?
Yeah.
Next, Nagaraj.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Sorry, is it possible to using the file command start with the file name? Actually, I don't know the exact file name, but starting letter I know. How do I search using the starting letter or ending letter?
That's what you can use star, right? But in that file name, you should know at least something. Then only you can find just by giving the star. Wherever you don't remember, you mention star there. Okay?
Okay.
That's what we have seen at yesterday's class. Right? Star we have mentioned at the beginning, at the ending, in middle also.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more doubt, sir.
Please.
Actually, you teach today the cat command. Sorry, VI command. So, what is the difference between the VI, Nano, and the Vim command? All the three.
No, all are
commands
same. You can use anyone. All are same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Khurshid Alam.
Yeah, hi, Sai. Thanks. Sai, actually, maybe I missed the command. How can I move from root directory to home directory? Because
how can I go?
Because we have a user 2, right?
Okay.
In home directory, right? So how can we move from root directory to there?
How can I go from root directory to home directory? Correct?
Yes.
Simple. CD/home. Where I'm now? I'm home directory, correct?
In starting user 2, maybe now we can see, right, root at IP, right? So how can we see user 2?
Now you can go CD under home. We have east-user is there. See, under home, if you do ls, we have east-user folder is there.
Yes.
CD EC2-user. Or instead of going like this, here, just initially once you log in, you just type sudo su.
Actually, I'm new to in Linux. That's why.
No problem. You go through all initial classes, then only you understand this one.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so go in a sequence order, right?
Thanks.
Fine. Next, Manikanta.
Hi, Sai. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Sai, I'm a bit confused here that I mean both soft link and the hard link are doing the same job, right? I mean,
no, they are not.
We use the hard link as a shortcut. I mean,
they are not doing the same job. You missed that point. Soft link is a shortcut.
Okay.
That is for us to quick access. Hard link is a backup copy.
Yeah, I get it, Sai, but can't we use this? I mean, we are doing the same syntax. I mean, can't we use the same name as a shortcut?
-s we are using for soft link. -s.
Yeah,
this flag I'm using. But for hard link, I'm not using any flag. Okay.
Yes, I am saying that can't we use the hard link? I mean, what I can say.
Okay, no issue. Just watch the video, reframe your question properly, then you can ask me tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, Sai.
No
Thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Arnab Roy.
Yeah, hi, Sai.
Hello.
Sai, I have one question. So you just write that all installed services, right? Command through redirecting greater than in a file.
Correct.
All the just like my client asked me that all whatever services installed, so I just write this in a file. But if he wants that, just mail him or anything that file.
This file we can drag. That's what we can get it to our Windows.
Okay.
From there we can share. I'll tell you how to copy file from Windows Linux. Okay.
You have shown that time.
Yeah. Then we can do it. That's ready. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Fine. Then Lokesh.
Sai, just one doubt only. So how to identify which file is a soft link file and which file is a hard link file?
You can't identify hard link, first of all. There is no special way. Because hard link is a normal complete file itself, right? So that will be with normal files, you can't identify. That's why we give common names, similar names. Hard index I have given, hard index. By seeing the name, I'll understand, okay, it might be a hard link that we have created. Okay, but softly we can identify. If you do ls-l, then it shows initially L means it's a link file, and also it gives a path also. This link file to which main file?
Correct path.
It shows that also.
Okay.
That arrow mark, you can just go through video, you'll understand. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right. Then Karthik Rao.
Hi. So my question is basically, as you said in the class, that we can add users and also put them in a group, right? So all of them can access into one
Correct.
instance, basically, right? So if any of the user has deleted something, then will we be able to figure out that who deleted anything like
Yeah,
any
that we
file?
can, yes. That is where we can able to see the logs and all. Yes, we can able to verify. Okay.
You will be showing us, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Next, Yogesh Chavan.
By using exit command, we become a root user to EC2 user. But sometime in application server, there is a terminal get closed na, by using exit command. Terminal also get closed na.
Terminal. Wait. I'll talk about terminals, shells and all in Docker class. Let's not get into that level. I'll tell you what is terminal when we create user. Terminals all sometimes will get created. I'll explain that one in Docker class. Remember the word Docker. There, just write. When I say there, I'll explain. Just write your doubt. When we reach that level, automatically you'll get the answer to that one. Okay. I'll talk about terminals also, but not here, later on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, correct. As you said, when we create user, sometimes we need to create related terminals. Okay. In some condition, I'll tell you what is that condition. Okay. Next, Sanawullah Sheikh.
Have multiple doubts today. We are using which command? This is only limited to packages, or else we can use for files also.
Only packages.
Okay. Even I have a doubt regarding we are having service to start and stop. Why we are using check config?
So that's what. Once you are starting service is running. But if you stop your machine, service will get stopped. That's a default behavior.
Okay.
But when we use check config command on, even though if you stop and start your instance, that command will make sure that service should get started automatically. Understood?
Okay. Got it. Even I having doubt regarding echo. Why we are using echo in our daily life task? Like, is there
That
any
is
purpose?
What I have shown you web package, web service, right? That we installed web package. I wanted to create one file. So there I used, right? That is one of the use cases.
Okay.
All right. Just we put some content, we redirect to some file, right?
Okay. Even I have another
okay, go ahead.
two doubts more. Like we are doing sudo su and becoming home user, like EC2 user or something. Can we have access to all commands? Like we have privilege like root user privilege we get in that
okay,
thing
I got
or
it.
not?
How to give sudo privilege to all other users at a time?
No.
Or maybe particular user?
No. I just we are going like a sudo su, not minus sudo su. Then we are becoming as a EC2 user.
No. We are being in EC2 user folder.
Folder. We can do everything we have every privilege, like all privileges.
Anything we can do. Ultimately, see who is doing, you have to understand. Root user is doing. He can be anywhere. He can do anything. Okay.
Yeah. I have another doubt regarding index file. Like I created index file as not adding HTML. I just created an index file. It's showing me. It's not showing me the content. It's showing it's working. It's not showing my content.
Generally, index.html generally it takes, but in dot something you should keep dot something HTML PHP something.
No, I tried like Java something also,
Not showing.
but
It is not
it
showing.
not showing. So
Generally, we
I
keep.
thought of like I got this previously. I forgot to ask today.
I
Even
understood.
though
Generally,
we
what we do, we write HTML content. Even our website also we have designed HTML for, but generally we keep HTML.
Okay.
When it shows it works, see what you do. You let me show you. My package is there. Package is there. Service status. Service is running. Correct? Package is there. Service is running. What I'm doing, I'm removing the file. www HTML index file is there, or did I guess already have removed it? So yeah, it is not coming. Even I'm pressing tab, it is not coming. What is the meaning? File is not there.
Not there. Yeah.
Means earlier I might have deleted. That is pretty sure. So right now index file is not there. Now if you hit refresh, it shows as it works. Verify. So what is the meaning? That means file is not there. Either file is not there, it unable to find that file, index.html file. That's the meaning. That means when you see it works, you should understand that, okay, package is installed successfully, service is running. But the missing part is file. Okay, that's the conclusion. Got it?
Okay. Okay. I had just go through this like index.html thing by Googling it.
Okay, no issue. Next, yeah. Puneet?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Puneet, go ahead.
Sir, how to change DNS name?
We'll discuss networking. In networking class, you'll understand. Okay. Then Saurav? Saurav, yes, you can unmute.
Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
One question strike in my mind when you have started the Linux session, that where to use these commands in the real time. That is my first question.
Wait. See, at every stage, you don't look for the real time because these are the foundation for DevOps. In real time, you are not going to do Linux admin activities. You are going to work as a DevOps engineer. To understand, to work on DevOps tools, you should know these foundations, these basics. Understanding, right? Okay.
That's the thing.
For example, see, in DevOps, you are going to create so many users, so many groups at a time in bulk, so that they can log into our machines. When you want to do in a bulk automation, first you should know how to create one by one. Then you are going to make it as a bulk thing. Understanding, right?
That means that learning the Linux commands is different and implementing the commands in real time are different.
Working is not different, but this is a foundation to learn DevOps. Okay.
Okay. That is okay. Implementing is the main thing. That where to implement.
Yes. You will understand in DevOps classes. You will understand that.
Okay. And another thing, that sudo command and sudoers both are same or different?
Sudo ers is different. That I will explain in Ansible class. Sudo ers.
Okay.
Sudo ers. That is another file name. That file we use to give sudo privileges to users. Anyways, we will discuss that. Okay.
And curl command wget?
Tomorrow, wget. The wget we used to download. Okay, we'll understand going forward.
Okay, that means Linux is still pending, not
yeah. Still there.
Okay, thank you.
Linux we will discuss entire duration of DevOps. In every DevOps class, you will find Linux. Every DevOps class. Okay. Initially, we are covering Linux, which is required to start DevOps. Remember that. Next, Sai. Go ahead, Sai.
Yes, sir. Is it on? So what is the general structure of every command in Linux?
No. There is no proper structure. Every command varies. Okay. Depends upon that individual command. Okay. We don't have any unique structure. Understood?
Sir, could we know your education qualification?
That's okay. My highest qualification is MBA.
Okay.
MBA in HR and marketing. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Fine. Okay, yes, that's it for today. Thank you all. Okay, we'll meet in tomorrow. Right. Yeah. Thank you all.